I want to teach temperature conversion today. Temperature is very, very important in engineering and the sciences and other fields. So it has to be controlled. And again, we have different units that we can use to measure temperature, but it depends on the equipment which you have. If you have equipment that reads in degrees Celsius, then you have to know how to convert any unit to your convenient temperature unit. So in temperature, we have degrees Celsius, we have Rankine, we have Fahrenheit, we have Kelvin, and all these units, they are related. So I will teach you how to convert any one to another. I will teach you how to convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, Rankine to degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit or Kelvin. That's what I will teach today. So let's go to board. So now we have the first relationship is degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is the formula to relate them is degrees Celsius equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 all over 1.8. So in this way now, if they ask you to convert 60-degree Fahrenheit, maybe you have 60-degree Fahrenheit and the convenient temperature you want to convert it is degrees Celsius. So what do? You now convert it using this formula, which says equals to this formula. Now you put this 60 degree at the place of Fahrenheit, which is 60-degree Fahrenheit minus 32 all over 1.8. When you subtract 60 minus 32 will give you 28 all over 1.8. And when you divide 1.8 with your calculator in any convenient way, we have 15.556 degrees Celsius approximately. So that is that. Then if you want to convert this, if you want to, maybe you have 200 degrees Celsius and you want to convert it to Fahrenheit. What do? You now your formula, you make use of your formula, which is the same with the previous one, but now you have to make F subject of formula over 1 cross multiply. We have F degrees Celsius minus 32 Fahrenheit minus 32 equals to 1.8 times degrees Celsius. So now, taking this 32 to this side, it will change to plus equals to 1.8 times 0 times degrees Celsius plus 32. The sign changed as a result of coming to this side. Now, our degree Celsius is 200. Now, we now have Fahrenheit equals to 1.8 times 200, which is for this, plus 32. When you multiply 200 by 1.8, we have 360 plus 32. When you add 32 to 360, we have 392 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature that is in Celsius is converted to Fahrenheit, and the value becomes 392. So now we move to another one. We move to relationship between Rankine and Fahrenheit. Rankine and Fahrenheit. Degree Rankine is equals to Fahrenheit plus 459 plus 459.67. So if we have 80 degree Fahrenheit and you want to convert it to Rankine, you make the use of this formula, which is degree Rankine is equals to 80 plus 459.67. And when you add, we have 539.67 degree Rankine. So that is that. Then if you want to convert Fahrenheit to Rankine, maybe you have Rankine to be 30 degree Rankine. Maybe you have 30 degree Rankine. Remember, we first of all converted 80 degree Fahrenheit to Rankine, which is the solving, the problem solved. Then converting 30 Rankine to Fahrenheit, we still make use of this formula, which is degree Rankine plus 459.67 equals to degree Rankine. Degree Fahrenheit plus this equals to degree Rankine. Then, but we have 30 Rankine. So making this one subject of formula, we take this value to the other side, which the sign will now change as minus. The sign changes as minus as a result of taking this number to the other side. So we now have degree Fahrenheit equals to degree Rankine minus 459.67. So now our Rankine is 30. Four, 559.67. 30 minus 459.67. We now have degree Rankine is equals to 429.67 degree Fahrenheit. So the value of degree Rankine, which is 30 Rankine, the value in Fahrenheit, the value in Fahrenheit is minus 429.67 degree Celsius. So the value is minus. So now, if you want to convert Rankine to Fahrenheit, which is 30, it will give you minus 429.67 Fahrenheit. Now, let me give you another solution. The relationship between Celsius and Rankine. Degree Celsius is equals to Rankine minus 491.67 all over 1.8. And if they give you, and if you have 50 degree Rankine and you want to convert it to Celsius, or if you have 600 degree Rankine, and you want to convert it to Celsius. You now have Celsius equals to, this is Rankine, our Rankine is 600, which is 600 minus 491.67 all over 1.8. And when you subtract 600 minus 491.67, the answer, it will be 180.33 all over 1.8. When you divide the value by 1.8, you now have 60.183 degrees Celsius approximately. So Rankine, that is 600 Rankine. When you convert it to Celsius, it becomes 60.18 degrees Celsius. Now I'm converting Celsius to Rankine. Let's check it. Now converting Celsius to Rankine. We make Rankine subject of formula first, cross multiply. We have degree Rankine equals to degree Rankine minus 491.67, which is equals to 1.8 times 0 times degrees Celsius. And you have, maybe you have 30 degrees Celsius. If you have 30 degrees Celsius and you want to convert it to Rankine, take this number to the other side to make Rankine subject of formula. We have Rankine equals to 1.8 times degrees Celsius. When this thing comes this side, it will become plus 491.67. So now we have 30 degrees Celsius. Now our degree Rankine equals to 1.8 times 30 plus 491.67. When you multiply 30 times 1.8, we have 54 plus 491.67, which is, when you add 54 to the number, we now have 491.67, which will be 545.67 degree Rankine. So 30 degree Celsius, if you convert it to Rankine, it will give you 555.67 Rankine. Now let us move to next one. Relating Kelvin to degree Celsius. Kelvin says that degree Celsius plus 273. You have converted it to Kelvin. So if you have 40 degrees Celsius and want to convert it to Kelvin, you just use this formula, which is 40 degrees Celsius plus 273. When you add it, it will give you 313 Kelvin. Now converting Kelvin to degrees Celsius. Converting Kelvin to degrees Celsius, we still make use of this formula. If we have 500 Kelvin and want to convert it to degrees Celsius, remember we'll still have this formula, which is equals to Kelvin. Making the subject of formula, you transfer this one to the other side to become minus degrees Celsius equals to K minus 273. Our K is 500 minus 273. When you subtract 273 from 500, what do we have? We have 227 degrees Celsius. That's the relationship between how to convert the Kelvin to degrees Celsius. Now let's quickly move to converting Kelvin to Rankine. Kelvin to Rankine. Kelvin to Rankine says